Hello and welcome to all. This is up number 8014 and in this video I will talk about rule number 5 lookout. Rule number 5 lookout. Every vessel shall at all the times maintain a proper lookout by sight and hearing as well as by all available means appropriate in the prevailing circumstances and conditions so as to make full appraisal of the situation and of the risk of collision. Key points of Rule 5. We must pay attention to everything. We must use all the informations available continuously to assess the situation our vessel is in and the risk of collision. Requirement to maintain proper lookout. Looking and listening. Maintain proper lookout by sight and hearing, both inside and outside the wheelhouse. Looking means looking out of the window all the time. Using ECDIS, the prime function of ECDIS is to help us to be sure that our ship is not moving into danger. Do not get distracted by other functions of ECDIS. Using ARPA, we must be aware of the effects of clutter of small targets and the range and limitations of the set. Using a radio, we must listen to what is going on around us, but we must always think carefully before calling other ships on VHF. It always takes more time than you think, and it may cause delay and confusion. Monitoring sound signals. Ensure that you can hear what is going on outside the wheelhouse. Using depth indicator. Frequently and systematically monitor the depth of water beneath keel. To assess the risk of collision, you must continuously ask yourself two questions. Is a collision possible? Because of the action of any vessel in the vicinity, including your own vessel. Second, is a collision probable? If so, then the collision is already here and you need to act urgently. So, in the end, always keep a proper lookout. Your safety is in your hand. Thank you and hope you have liked this video.